Are you struggling with IGCSE Mandarin grammar? Do your sentences sound like Google Translate? 你好 everyone, I'm Ms Celine, your coach for the IGCSE Mandarin Chinese 0547 exam. Here are 5 grammar secrets your Mandarin teacher won't tell you, but examiners wish you knew. Stick to the end for a bonus tip and a free cheat sheet that boosts your grade instantly. Secret number 1. Word order magic. In Chinese, the sentence structure is king. The golden rule is subject plus time plus place plus verb plus object. Let's break it down. 我昨天在学校吃了午饭. Notice how everything flows from general to specific? Now compare this in correct version. 昨天我吃了午饭在学校. This sounds off to native speakers. Pro tip: stick to the STPVO formula. Secret number 2. Stop translating from English. One of the biggest mistakes? It is translating literally from English. For example, I very like music. 我很喜欢音乐. Sounds right, but it's actually redundant. In Chinese, 喜欢 already carries emotion. So, while it's not wrong, native Chinese speakers just say 我喜欢音乐. It's clean and confident. Here comes another one. I have been studying Chinese for 5 years. Many students write 我有学习中文5年了. While the natural way is 我学习中文已经5年了. Don't just translate. Learn how Chinese expresses time and experience. Secret number 3. Measure words matter. Every noun in Chinese needs a measure word. In English, we say a bottle of water. Chinese works the same way. For example, 一本书, 一只狗, 一件衣服. Don't say 一衣服. That's like saying a clothing. Always remember the right measure word. A cheat code for you. Learn the top 10 measure words and you'll cover 80% of exam questions. Comment measure word if you like a tutorial. Secret number 4. Link your ideas like a native. Want to write longer sentences and impress examiners? Use linking words. Here are your best friends. 因为, 所以, 虽然, 但是, 如果, 就. Let's build a killer sentence. 虽然我的学校很小，但是老师们都很友好. A pro tip for you. Mix this up in your speaking too. Examiners love it. Secret number 5. Use sentence chunks, not individual words. Fluent speakers don't build sentences word by word. They use chunks. These are ready-made phrases you can memorize and plug into any sentences. The top IGCSE chunks are 对, 感兴趣, 和朋友一起, 除了以外还, 一边一边. Use them like Lego blocks. 我对中国文化很感兴趣。我喜欢一边听音乐，一边做作业。So start collecting chunks, not just vocabulary. Bonus grammar tip: the power of the. Oh yes, the most mysterious word, the. It changes everything, but it's not a past tense marker like in English. For example, 我吃了饭, I've eaten, and this is to tell you a completed action. 他去了北京, he has gone to Beijing. But here's a twist. 我昨天吃饭了. Sounds wrong. Why? Because 昨天 already give time. So in spoken Chinese, 我昨天吃饭. That is totally fine. That's it. Want all these grammar hacks in one place? Download my free IGCSE grammar cheat sheet below with examples, structures, and bonus tips not in this video. Click the link in the description. Like, subscribe now, and comment A* to receive good luck in your exam. Welcome to share your biggest struggle at the comment box, and I'll do my best to answer and feature solutions in the upcoming videos. 谢谢，再见。